regrouping subtraction with ones and tens. Regrouping tens to ones. In a jar, there are 239 toffees. How many more toffees can a shopkeeper put in it? If the jar has a capacity of 465 toffees. To know the more number of toffees to be placed in the jar so that it completes the capacity of the jar, that is 465, we need to subtract 239 toffees from 465 toffees. Let us subtract 239 from 465. Step 1. Write the minimum and the subtrahend digits as per their respective place values. Step 2. Subtract the ones. Since 5 is less than 9, we can't subtract 9 ones from 5 ones. So, we regroup 110 to 10 ones. 15 ones minus 9 ones is equal to 6 ones. Step 3. Subtract the tens. Since 5 tens is greater than 3 tens, subtract 3 tens from 5 tens. 5 tens minus 3 tens is equal to 2 tens. Step 4. Subtract the hundreds. Since 4 is greater than 2, subtract 2 hundreds from 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds minus 2 hundreds is equal to 2 hundreds. 465 minuend minus 239 subtrahend is equal to 226 difference. Therefore, 226 more toffees to be added to the jar to complete the capacity of the jar. Regrouping hundreds to tens. There are 985 buttons in a box. Dennis gave 393 buttons to his friend. How many buttons are left with Dennis? To know the leftover buttons with Dennis, we need to subtract. Let us subtract 393 from 985. Write the minuend and the subtrahend digits as per their respective place values. Subtract the ones. Since 5 is greater than 3, subtract 3 ones from 5 ones. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 ones. Keep 2 under ones column. Subtract the tens. We cannot subtract 9 tens from 8 tens. So borrow 100. 100 plus 8 tens is equal to 18 tens. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9 tens. Keep 9 under tens column. Subtract the hundreds. We subtract 3 hundreds from 8 hundreds. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 hundreds. Keep 5 under hundreds column. 985 minuend minus 393 subtrahend is equal to 592. Difference. Therefore, 592 buttons were left with Dennis. Let us recall. The number from which we subtract is called minuend. The number which is to be subtracted is called subtrahend. The result of subtraction is called difference. Always place the bigger numeral on the top. 10 ones make 110. 100 ones make 10 tens. 10 tens make 100.